following words are in memory of two great Gaonim who gave so much Torah to Klal Yisrael with so much Mesirat Nefesh. Hagon Rav Mordechai Sternberg of Yeshivat Har Amor and Hagon Rav Chaim Drukman of Yeshivat Or Etzion. The pasuk says that Yaakov Avinu says to Yosef, "Vani natati lecha Shechem achad al achecha asher lakachti miyad ha'emori b'charbi uvikashti." So Rashi brings different opinions what it means Shechem Achad. Let's say it means Shechem Mamish is one opinion. And he says, I gave it to him through Charbi Uvekashti, my sword and my bow and arrow. So Onkelos explains, sounds like two concepts of the same idea of military means. So what's trot of Charbi Uvekashti? Onkelos explains, B'saluti Uvevauti, my tefillah and my bakashot. Boya means like to ask, to request. So it means tefillah, that Yaakov Avinu, not only did he militarily defeat the enemy, he did it through tefillah as well. It goes together, the safa and the saifa, spiritual and physical goes together. But it sounds superfluous. Sluti uvauti, just like cherev and keshet. It's military means and spiritual means of tefillah. What's the difference between the two? Explains the Meshech Chochmah. There are two types of tefillah. There's the Set Shmona Esrei, which all of Klal Yisrael davens, and that is Tzluti, my tefillah. But we all know that we can make special requests, Ba'uti, to pass the test, to have a good day in the stock market, that everything should work out well, that the Jets should have a good year, all types of things. Now, what's the difference? If a person davens Tzluti, even without the greatest kavana, Hashem will still listen to the person. Because you come with the koach of the Rabbim of Klal Yisrael, the set tefillah of Klal Yisrael. But ba'uti, a special bakasha, for a special investment in the stock market, or for the Jets or the Knicks, whatever, whoever you're rooting for, then you need special kavana. Now we see this from the words in the Torah Shebechtav. B'charbi uvekashti, a cherev, a sword is made out of iron. And Gemara says in Sanhedrin, an iron is very potent. Even a little bit is enough to kill somebody, Chalila. Therefore, Tzluti, the davening of Klal Yisrael, corresponds to Cherev, which by itself, even without much Kavanah, is very powerful. Why? Because it has the Zechut, the power of the Rabbim, Klal Yisrael. However, Bakasha is like Bekesha, it's like a bow and arrow. The further a person pulls back the bow, then the arrow will shoot much stronger. That's like the tefillah of the Yachid. The more kavanah, the more it will work. Yes, there is room for the Yachid, but it's more based on the personal intensity and the person's ishtadlut. It's important in all realms, but if you want to do something as a private individual within Klal Yisrael, it's not as powerful as something of the cloud. Therefore, we see from here, Charbi and Kashti, the power of the Cherev, the power of normal tefillah, because it comes from Klal Yisrael. And yes, there is room for the individual, but you need more kavanah. So when we all serve the Kadosh Baruch Hu, mitzad the klal and the prat within the klal, and there's the chut of working to get close to Kadosh Baruch Hu, of learning Torah, teaching Torah, being kind mitzvos, bring all our people close to Kadosh Baruch Hu, maybe zocha for the gula shleima. Be well.
Good Shabbos, good Shabbos, good Shabbos.